Hi guys, today I'll take hands-on session for sending a mail from localhost using PHP. So I'll explain how to send a mail from the localhost server to the destination mail. So for this, already the prerequisite you have to install any localhost server such as a XAMPP or WAMP server. Now I installed WAMP. So I enable the services of the WAMP server to run in the localhost machine. So after that, I created a simple PHP program. So for this mail function, PHP mail function way of implementation, you can implement in two ways. So one way is you can use the default mail function, so available in PHP. Another method is you have to import the PHP mailer function inside that is inside the folder. You have to download the package. So with the help of the PHP mailer function package, you can implement mail, that is you can implement the mail function. So after that you will be send a mail to the destination mail address. So I'll explain first method, PHP mail function. So this before that, the very easiest way to implement this default mail function. So in this mail function, so you just download PHP mail function. So PHP mailer master. So download this link. So here we are having your default packages. So default packages to send the mail, PHP mailer, you are supposed to be installed. So after download this, extract to the page where you have the code. So that is a folder, so PHP mailer master. So in this PHP mailer master, uh, so usually if you extract this PHP mailer master, you'll have one folder SRC. In that SRC, you are having your default packages. So that is a default PHP file. So this PHP file supports SMTP protocol POP3 PHP mailer. So for in our code, you are supposed to import the PHP mailer PHP file and SMTP file. So this is the following code. So what this code says, first import the require ones. So require ones is the import function where already the default PHP file is available. The PHP mailer what we have extracted, those PHP file you import this. Then SMTP. So SMTP PHP you import. Then create a user defined message. So in this message you place which message you want to transfer to the destination mail. Then create a mail variable. In that mail variable import the PHP mailer function. So in this mail you create SMTP to enable the SMTP. Why? Because we are enabling the SMTP. I'm using SMTP protocol to transfer to the destination mail. Then you have it set your debug to identify the error successfully sent or not. Then SMTP authentication equal to true, and enable SMTP secure equal to SSL. So after that you set host. So I'm using a Gmail server, so I have to use the host name as smtp.gmail.com. So two ports are available. One is 465 or 587. So 465 without secure connection. 587 is with secure connection. So I'm using a port 465 to use sessions circuit to connect to the Gmail server. So you provide your credentials here: username, then password. So after that, where you have to send. So you are sent from your own mail ID. So I am replying to destination mail. So which destination mail you want to reply it, add this. Then subject, so which subject, like I mentioned a subject name as a test. Then which address you want to destinate that is send a mail. So in this you type Karthik M. So this is my mail ID, another mail ID, so where I am going to transfer. Then I'm using mail send function. So if successfully sent, I'll be get the message. So now I'll execute this code. Enable the WAMP server. You have to start the services of the WAMP server to the local host to connect, send the mail. So it will be successfully run the local server. Now type localhost, then folder name where you have placed our PHP file. So I named as mail.php. Then I'm trying to execute my PHP file, so it will send the mail to the destination. So now I got the message has been sent. So from where to where, to Karthik M1 srmist.edu.in from Karthik Rock 125 at the Gmail. So subject is test. So now this is the message what we have sent. So we'll check whether we received the mail. So successfully I have got the mail name as a test. So this is the method how you can send the message with the help of your local host using PHP. So I'll say another method how to do as simple as it is with the help of your PHP mail function. So for this you have to download, so sendmail.exe. You have to download this package. So after download package, so you will get sendmail.exe application as well as configuration. So open the configuration sendmail. So in this open as soon as you configure the file smtp.gmail.com, you set smtp port equal to 465, then mention smtp underscore sl as auto, then localhost, authentication username and password you uh, set. At last you have to define localhost. So localhost is your domain name. Then save this. Go to PHP. So in this Apache modules, you have to enable SSL module in this. Verify whether it is enabled. So SSL module is enabled. Then go to PHP settings, PHP extensions. So in this PHP extensions, you have to enable Open SSL as well as you have to enable sockets. open SSL, you have to enable open SSL is enabled, then Sackets is also enabled. Now again you have to configure this php.ini. So in this, go to mail function. So in this mail function, so here SMTP, you set SMTP equal to localhost, or you give smtp.gmail.com. You set port number as 465, then send mail ID, or you give your mail ID, then set the path where you have exe file, then you save this, restart your server. So this is also another way of working. You send the mail with the help of your PHP mail function, but I used previous method. So what I explained with the help of PHP mailer function. So that is the code for this second method. So for this second method, so this is the code for second method. Simply create a PHP file, have your two subject, message, header. So these are all the parameter of the present in the default mail function. So this is the mail function we have used. So in this two has to be contained where you have forwarding the mail, then subject, message, then headers. In headers you can include your information, metadata about your sender, receiver, and which version you are using. Then if result echo success or fail. This also, if you execute this PHP, you will be successfully send the mail. So I hope this video will be helpful how to send a mail using the local host with the help of your PHP code. Thank you.